Welcome to the Filmstock channel. I'm Veronica, and in today's video we will have a look at the best ways to celebrate Valentine's Day solo and how to create a cute video to share the day with your friends and family. Even if you have no one to share the day with, don't let that stop you enjoying Valentine's Day. It's an excellent opportunity to spend the day doing all the things that you love. So here are 5 things that you can do for yourself on Valentine's Day. Number 1, order a meal from your favorite restaurant. Who doesn't love that? And the best part is that you won't have to share your food with anyone. Number 2, learn something new or do something that you love. We all have hobbies that we don't have time for or hobbies that we've been meaning to try out. Number 3, plan a trip. What's more exciting than planning your next holiday? Number 4, have an at-home spa day. Prepare some bath bombs, face masks, and your favorite treats for a relaxing evening. And number 5, declutter your living space. We all love seeing amazing transformations from messy to beautifully organized. Now I'll show you a quick tutorial on how to use the Wondershare video editor to make a cute video like this. I've used 3 different packs from the Filmstock website. The first one is Vlog Pack Volume 1, which comes with 18 titles, 20 elements, 5 transitions, and 6 overlays. Next, we've got the Pixel Love Pack, which contains 25 elements. And lastly, there is the Vintage Pack, which comes with 20 different filters. So let's jump into the Wondershare Filmora X video editor. I'm going to mute the music so that it doesn't get in our way. And the first thing I'm going to show you is how to add a filter like this pink one right here, which adds some more of a romantic vibe to the video. You can find the filters in the Effects tab. So I'm going to delete the one that is on the timeline. So adding a filter is very easy. All you have to do is click and drag the filter onto the timeline and drag the sides out to match the length of it. You'll notice that the filter is so much more intense than it was before, and in order to adjust that, you have to double click on the filter on the timeline, and you'll have this alpha slider right here, which you can use to lower the intensity of your filter. So for this video, I have it set to 30. Next, let's have a look at adding the titles. So in this video, I have quite a few titles, so I think for this example, we're just going to work on the first one right here. So I'm going to delete it by pressing delete on my keyboard and head over into the titles tab. From here you can see that we have the selection of all the titles included in the Vlog Pack Volume 1. And once you've chosen your title, all you have to do is click and drag the title into your timeline. So each title comes with its preset text, so in order to adjust that, you have to double click on the title in the timeline, and you can use the preview to select different parts of the title in order to change them. So let's change this to Solo Valentine's Day. Once you're happy with your text, you can use the preview to drag the sentence around, and you can use the box around it to scale it down easily so that you can fit it in your frame. Next, I'll show you how to add overlays to your video. So for example, we have this overlay right here, which is sort of this camera effect. And we have another overlay here where we have all the hearts coming up and the little live sign. You'll find the overlays in the Effects tab. Let's click on Vlog Pack Volume 1. So I'm going to click and delete the overlay from my timeline. And same as before, you simply click and drag the overlay onto your video. And as we did with the filter, you simply have to click and drag the sides to adjust the length of it. I'm also going to show you how to add these cute little elements to your video. So these are from the Pixel Love Pack, and you can find them in the Elements tab. So there is 25 of them here, and I'm going to delete the ones that I have on my timeline so we can add them back in. So for the elements, you want to click and drag them onto the timeline, and you can add multiple simply by dragging them onto the track above the previous one. From here, you can either double click on the element and use the transform tab to adjust the position, scale and rotation, or you can use the preview to move the elements around and use the box to scale them down and the little dot at the top to rotate them. And let's do the same with the blue one too. So it's all very simple. And lastly, if you're planning to publish your videos on YouTube, don't forget that the Vlog Pack Volume 1 comes with some end screens that you can customize. And of course, you have these boxes here to add your end screens once you've uploaded your video to YouTube. So they give you a bit of a guideline of where to put your playlist or like next video, plus your little profile picture in the middle. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope that you found it useful and it gave you some ideas on how to celebrate Valentine's Day on your own. If you are interested in using any of the packs mentioned in this video, there will be links to them in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Filmstock channel so that you never miss any of our future uploads, and I'll see you guys on the next one.